Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change gender from male to female on CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project and select your photo that you like to edit. For example, I'm going to open my project. There is a photo here, and to make alright, I'm going to remove the effect that I added. So I'm going to change gender to female. How to just click on it and select style and scroll to the right till find the gender sweep. Alright, let's click on this. Click check mark. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.